You can't keep up with me.
I'm going to win this race. Overtaking you.
I know a shortcut. Oh, this is overgrown. Hi, Percy.
Phew, I'm glad you came. I've derailed while delivering all the mail. Please could you go get help? I've got a really busy day ahead.
Of course I can help.
Ah, Charlie, I've just finished my jobs for the day, so I've got some spare time before the party. Want to play some bowling dominoes with me?
Oh, yeah, I'd love to.
Excellent, I'll go first. That was fun. Now it's your turn.
Yeah, that was fun. Oh, I was supposed to get help for Percy. Hi, Funling.
Shh, Gordon's sleeping. I was carrying this paint for Fix-It Funling when I found Gordon sleeping. Want to paint his face so he looks silly?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Oh, that was a good nap. What are you two looking at? I was resting, so I'm ready for the party later.
Were you getting your beauty sleep?
Well, I want to look good for the party.
Well, you certainly look good.
I'm leaving.
Oh, that was funny.
Yeah. Oh, right. I'm supposed to be getting help for Percy. Ah, Harvey. I needed to ask you something, but I can't remember what it was.
Was it about the party later?
Yeah. Are you going to the party?
Yes, I am. I can't wait.
Me neither. Anyway, goodbye. Phew, that's another truck shunted. Still got quite a few more, but I should get my work done before the party. I forgot about Percy! So Charlie asked Harvey to help Percy back on the track.
Thanks for getting me back on the track, but now I don't have enough time to deliver the mail and go to the party.
I can move the mail for you. It's late because of me getting distracted all the time.
Oh, really? Thanks, Charlie.
So everyone went to the party, except Charlie, who delivered the mail. Phew, now that's done, I can finish my own work. What? What's going on?
We finished your jobs.
And move the party here so you can join in too.
Ah, thank you everyone. I've learnt my lesson. I should stop getting so easily distracted when an engine needs help.